नाउ आपको हम बताते हैं व्हाट भाष्यकार सेज। इसके पास आ गया। अब विद दिस यू हैव इन्फिनाइट, अब आ गया, बहुत डिज़ायर आ गई। अब विद रिगार्डिंग वाइफ हस्बैंड यू कैन हैव इन्फिनाइट डिज़ायर, regarding child you can have infinite desire. I want a child, I want to study, make him study where, Harvard I want to go, or I want to go Massachusetts Institute, MIT I want to send him. NIT? Not NIT, MIT I'm calling. You keep quiet when you don't know. Okay. Okay. And I want to send him to some place. अच्छा, वो खुद नहीं कर पाए, उससे करवा रहे हैं. What they could not do by themselves, अपना तो फेल हो गया हर जगह. So now he is making the child do that. I want to do that. I want my daughter to do that in your designing course, interior designing. She is learning from London School of Arts. But there is one institute of music in London. What I forgot that. I am sending my child there. So ये सब है, हाँ, ट्रिनिटी, वहाँ पे आई एम सेंडिंग माई चाइल्ड देयर, ओनली म्यूजिक स्कूल, इट इज़ ओनली म्यूजिक, नथिंग एल्स इज देयर. ओके, ऑल्दो ही क्रिएट्स मोर नॉइज इन द हाउस, बट आई एम सेंडिंग हिम फॉर म्यूजिक. ओके, सो नाउ रिगार्डिंग चाइल्ड, रिगार्डिंग माई डॉटर, अब आपको सुना रहे हैं कितनी इसमें डिज़ायर्स घुस गई हैं. In this one desire, these infinite desires are there now. ये आपने, you have taken some kind of endless desires, and now daughter is there. अब daughter should get married to good boy. Then you have to search the boy now, but she has already searched. The problem is there. She wants intercaste. I am quite orthodox. अब she has already searched. I didn't like, but anyway, she is very strong personality. Anyway, she is now searching somebody. Now how the marriage goes, how the in-laws are there, and after marriage how the life will be there. Child is there, their child grows up. In no time child goes very fast. First I am growing old and he is growing young. So इतना सा एकदम बढ़ गया. Now he is going in the university. I am advising him, you should go there. So there is, now I have desire length. Now I see him very well, smart एकदम, young boy. ये तो हम तो एकदम, I am shrinking. When a person gets old, he slightly shrinks. His height is lesser, for your information. This backbone ऐसे होते हैं ना, ये धीरे-धीरे ऐसे is curves. वो तो ऐसे एकदम यार, sophisticated kind of voice there. Well, is my grandson. उसकी मैरिज देखें, उसके लिए लड़का देखें, ये आ गया सारा. Must think नहीं, topic is not going to get till last day of the life also. ममता तो बढ़ गई हमारी. When we were 10-year-old, so happy. Why? Attachment was not there so much. Now 10 things have come up. अब I am waiting for my child's child to grow up now. Child's marriage. अच्छा, अब now घर की आप सुनाते, मानुषवित्तम. I want that house. अच्छा, फूड, इन्फिनाइट वेराइटी कैन बी देयर. फूड का ऐसा नहीं कि सिंपल ईटर, जस्ट आई टेक खिचड़ी इन द मॉर्निंग एंड दलिया इन द इवनिंग, बस, और कुछ लेते ही नहीं. ऐसा तो है नहीं. अब विथ फूड ऑल्सो पास्ता, हाँ, देन दैट रोटी, देन दैट मिक्स्ड रोटी, देन दिस यू मिक्स विथ दिस, देन गट्टे की सब्जी, देन पूरन पूरी, देन पुट घी इन द पूरन पूरी. You already made puran puri with the ghee. When on the top also you put a ghee. Then you have a sambar there. Then you have idli. Then rava dosa. Then phalana dosa. Then urad dal dosa. Then long dosa. Then paper dosa. Folded dosa. Open dosa. Idiyappam. ये सब जो है, infinite variety is there now. Only idli, rava idli is there, useless. And one proper idli is there, white one. What is this? Not soft. It is not come out soft. It is not come out soft. Let us make again. Then idli mold is there. You put idli then. Arey, if Punjabi is there, tab to kya baat hai? I went to Amritsar. You know what they said? This is the city of eating. बोले व्हाट आर यू ईटिंग स्वामी जी, क्या खाते हैं आप? बोले ये कोई खाना है आपका? क्या है, क्या है? हाँ, नहीं, कुलचा, कुलचा। बोले कुलचा ले चलते हैं आपको। हाँ खाते हैं। अरे कुलचा, वो पराठा, ये उसके है, देन मूली पराठा, लौकी पराठा, आलू पराठा, full of ghee. On the top is lot of butter. And you will know, all doctors are full. They are all overbooked. I asked them. और पर्सनालिटी तो देखो ये मोटे मोटे साहब, ये पर्सनालिटी नहीं पर्सनालिटा है। सरदार जी आ गए। हार्ट इज दिस बिग, इट इज पंपिंग फॉर द होल बॉडी। इनफाइनाइट डिजायर्स नाउ। कपड़ा के देख लो अपना, कपड़े को कितने तरह के कपड़े हो सकते हैं। दिस ड्रेस इज देयर, आई एम गोइंग फॉर व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड फैशन डिजाइनिंग। इसको यहाँ से ऐसे करवा लेते हैं, हाँ इसको यहाँ करवा लेते हैं, मोदी कुर्ता पहन लेते हैं। और दिस काइंड ऑफ नेकलेस इज देयर। व्हेन यू गो टू द शॉप यू नो, ये बोले और दिखाइए, वो दैट साड़ी, दैट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट, यस blue, no, navy blue, this one, no, below that, no, that, yes, no, ये लीजिए आप। अच्छा, ये लीजिए आप, ये लीजिए आप। You must have gone, भाई, I'm not saying something, ये लीजिए आप। ये कपड़ा, this is Lichbij, it is excellent, ये सबसे अच्छा है। 4 hours मार्केटिंग, सत्संग जाते हो 1 आवर बैठने हाथ खराब जाते हैं। 4 hours, हाँ इतना वैरायटी है इसमें कि यू आर टोटली कॉट अप नाउ। आइए सुनते हैं भाष्यकार अब क्या बोलते हैं इनके लिए। पेज 312। देयर इज नो वर्क। डिजायर मीन्स विच कीप्स यू ऑक्यूपाइड। One definition of desire is that keeps you involved, over-involved. You get over-involved with something. देखो इस over-involvement को भाष्यकार कैसे बोलते हैं। पेज 312, 4th line। येन प्रयुक्तः, येन मीन्स कामेन, ते तेषणे साध्य साधन लक्षणे कामः। So with this sadhana, I will do this particular, I will attain that particular goal. येन प्रयुक्तः मिला। अविद्वान, अविद्वान, दिस इज हलंत, इट इज नॉट वशः, इट इज अवशः। द वर्ड इज अवशः देयर। अविद्वान, न हलंत इज देयर, एंड अवशः इज देयर। अवशः मीन्स टोटली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल। और सुनो, एव कोशकारवत्, कोशकारवत means like the cocoon of that silkworm. Silkworm. Atmanam veshtayati. It covers itself by those desires. Okay. Well, I went there, what I wanted, sari I did not get. He said, I'll get it. Next Tuesday again he has called me. I won't go. No, I will have to go. He will bring it. I have already given the advance. Advance did he? Why do you give advance? He said, how will I get it? I have to already get that. This is there. I am going, my chacha's son's daughter is there. I am going to marriage. How will they see me? I have to put on also proper dress. But you already have sari. No, I want that new one which nobody puts on. When I go, they will see me what sari I am wearing. Everyone should talk me, कहाँ से लिया? Very good, wow, stunning. I want to hear all these things. So, कोशवत, आत्मानम वेष्टयति। अब फिर क्या करते हैं ये लोग? कर्म मार्गे आत्मानम, दे आर इन द कर्म मार्ग। आत्मानम प्रणिदधत, हाँ, आत्मानम प्रणिदधत. On this path of action, they almost, प्रणिदधत means they got caught up. प्रणिदधत, held, they're held. अच्छा, फिर क्या होता है? बहिर्मुखो भूतः, they become very extrovert. Extrovert means what? Extrovert means all the time mind is on something else, never resting in the self, all the time thinking about something other than truth or God. Extrovert means thinking, taking to many branches. It is not taking to conclusion. With one thought, 4 more thought come. 4 thought, 10 more thought come. 10 thought, 16 come. And if the thinking is right, it will take you to topic is over now. You go to brooding. So he is extrovert. Each word I have to define. Na swam lokam prati janati. He doesn't know the self. फंस गए हैं आप. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ फाइल से इज कोटिंग तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद. कथम पुनः एतावत्वम अवधार्यते कामानाम. कथम पुनः एतावत्. सी द वर्ड हियर, इट इज रिटन हियर in the मूल मंत्र. You see, एतावान वै कामान इच्छन. This much is the desire. So student is asking, how can you say this much is the desire? Point was, desired object is only these things. Among them, hundreds of categories are there. Categories are more. Desire is of food, but categories of food is infinite. So katham anantatvat, desire is infinite. Ananta hi kamaha, infinite desires are there. So it is written here, nahi loke, last line you see, nahi loke phal sadhan vyatiriktam drishtam adrishtam va labdavyam asti. In this word, what 4-5 kinds of wealth I told. Yajman, Patni, Putra, Manushvit and Daivvit. These are the sadhan. And what are the sadhya? Sadhya is anything which gives you expansion of yourself. That is sadhya. Other than that, nothing else is there. But varieties are infinite. Acha, हाँ. And this he goes ahead. अच्छा, हाँ. फिर क्या हुआ उसके बाद? बस, I will now move forward. And this is how he continues. See, my main mantra, etavan vai kaman icchan cha na atah bhuya. There is nothing more than that, he thinks. Atah bhuya vindet. उसको लगता है बस मिल गया, I get everything. After that, full stop. Tasmat api etarhi ekaki kamayate. Because he feels lonely, therefore he wants wife. Jaya me syat, atha prajaye, atha vittam me syat, atha karma kurviya iti sa yavad api etesham ekaikam na prapnoti. So, when he does not attain all of this, among all 5, what I told, among 4, ekaikam, even one he does not prop, then what he says? Akritsna eva tavan manyate. Please underline that. This is the plight of this person. He feels I am incomplete. You got that? Huh? No, this is the Mool Mantra I am talking. Page 309. Mool Mantra. I am talking on the Mool Mantra, not the Bhashya. You see the word. So he has written, he gets everything. Then you see 4th line, 5th line. Sa yavad api etesham ekaikam na prapnoti. Until he attains all of them. What he thinks? Akritsna. This is Sandhi, Prapnoti is there. E is there plus Akritsna is there. Wherever Ya comes, it is Sandhi is there. सो प्राप्नोति प्लस अकृत्स्न एव तावन मन्यते. He thinks हमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं, I am so incomplete. Who tells him? No, 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 manyate. He only puts himself manyate, not janati. He himself imagines. खुद ही मान लिया अपने आप से, बोले I have no son, I feel so bad, I have no daughter. अच्छा, this is his plight. अब क्या करें फिर? Now he does some upasana, and this upasana is called Pankt upasana. Therefore Pankt. I introduced this word Pankt because 5 are involved. So where 5 are, supposing he doesn't have external 5, then he brings the internal 5 to do Pankt upasana. Pankt. Okay, I think I'm understanding that. Tavan manyate, after manyate, full stop. Acha. Now what he thinks, now I'll tell you. But this is the cycle he goes into it. I'm not saying you see the houses, you see your life, you can see it very clearly what is mentioned. This is ashram superimposition. Earlier Varna was catching him. Now ashram is catching him because this completes grahastha ashram now. Acha, boli to what shall we do? Nothing, relax. So now he goes for upasana. Tasya kritsnata, for getting completeness. Manyevasyatma. So now there is one yajman. Who's the yajman? Mind is the yajman. Upasana ho gayi na? On something seen they will superimpose now. Then who is the Vak Jaya? Speech is the wife now. Why? Because wives talk too much. And therefore Vak Jaya. No, don't take it very seriously. One husband told, the wives speak double the words than the husband. So wife said, because husband don't listen. Therefore they have to say everything twice. Husband said, what? He had seen, while returning, please bring the bread. ये तो खोए रहते हैं थोड़ा. Listen, did you get my point? While returning, you have to bring the bread. I'm understanding. You say yes, I understand. I will message to you also. Wife is not confident that he will bring. To make it double, triple sure. कोई रहते हैं अपना. And he doesn't read also the message. Problem is this. And our guest is coming for today for evening tea. So Vak Jaya. Vak is the wife. Prana Praja. Prana Praja. So Prana is like the Praja means sun is there. Prana Praja. Why Vak is wife? Shankaracharya writes one nice line. I want to show it to you. 315. Open 315. Tatha Vak Jaya. First line. Mano anuvrittitva samanyad vacha. Wife follows the husband. That is what is good marriage is there. When husband and wife both are sitting and supposing they could not come to the yagna. So husband said, I could not come, I had an office. The wife just supports. Bole, late he is coming. She completes all sentences. Now, husband is saying nowadays, my boss has come from Germany. So now wife continues that. He has come from Germany and he is having a long meeting with him every day. So she is just extending the her word. Every sentence she completes. So he will say, I don't feel, I feel weak, I don't feel strong. Then she will say, well, she is not eating nowadays. I'm trying my best. So everything is called anuvritti. शंकराचार्य जी सन्यासी हैं, बट दे हैव सो मच ऑफ सटल पॉइंट्स. अनुवृत्ति सामान्यात, बोले बोथ में अनुवृत्ति होती है. वाइफ इज डूइंग द अनुवृत्ति मीन्स व्हाट वृत्ति हस्बैंड हैज, दैट वृत्ति वाइफ हैज. दैट इज कॉल्ड गुड मैरिज. And what thought mind has, same will come in the speech. And therefore, mind is the yajman and speech is the wife of mind. Okay, चलो भाई अच्छी बात है. Then who is the son? Prana praja. Prana means the prana shakti is the child, because it has some kind of activity around. Prana praja. So because by mind and vani, the power of activity comes. You think something I have to do, and by speech and your mind both combine together, then power of activity come. देखो क्या लिखा है, पति स्थानीयाभ्याम पसूयते प्राणः कर्मार्थम. Third, fourth, 7th line, same page. So mind thinks, and with the speech they are creating prana. Like mind is thinking and I am talking, and now power of activity is creating this speech. Therefore this prana shakti has come out. Shabd is a shakti that has come out from both, and therefore is the child. देखो how beautifully he is putting it. And chakshuhu manusham vittam. Eyes are manusham vittam. Eyes. Why eyes are manusham vittam? Because through eyes only you can see, oh, this has to be attained. Oh, this kind of house is there. Wow, this kind of curtain is there. Oh, after becoming engineer you have so much of money. Oh, so you try to define yourself through others. By manusham vittam, how do you know how much? Bole, this I also need mobile. I will not take that Nokia phone now. Then I want smartphone. Although I am not smart, but I want a smartphone. Why Nokia? अरे it fell down. उसने कुछ नहीं किया, no कर दिया. So therefore I don't want that Nokia. I want some smartphone. How did you know? I saw that. When others are typing, I am seeing everything. Rather, I am more interested what is his password and what is his pattern. I keep on checking like this when somebody is around me. So I fix my standard after seeing from the eyes. So chakshu is manushvittam. Kya baat hai? See the intelligence. This clothes is fashion nowadays. Acha? This hairstyle, I will put my criteria now. Supposing somebody not living in the world, his standard will be very comfortable, easy. वो तो शॉप जाता है, बाहर जाता है, he goes out, sees everybody. School children go, then they tell, Mummy, this kind of, I don't want this kind of pencil box. I want this kind of eraser. I want this kind of toy. What I have, no, he brought that kind of particular copy is there. I don't want this copy. That particular copy is required. अब पैसा चाहिए इसके लिए. मानुष वित्तम. और सुनो, अगला है 4 हो गया. हाँ, चक्षुषा ही तद्विंद श्रोत्रम दैवम. These ears are daivittam. Why? Because through ear you hear everything good. That upasana, you should do upasana, you are hearing only from somebody. Satsang you are hearing only. So biggest strength is that the ear should be okay. Therefore, bhadram karani bhi shunuyam devaha. Let me hear every day. And bhadram karani bhi is plural. We have only 2 ears. But there it is said, karane bhi, by many years let me hear. Arey, how can you hear by many years? You have only 2. तो क्यों बोला ऐसा? As if I have many years I should have to hear. You hear with many years. करने भी, करणाभ्याम नहीं बोला, करने भी, by many years. If choice is there, supposing God forbid that you want to be blind or deaf, please choose blind. Because satsang you can keep on hearing. Okay, and eyes, if eyes are gone, so many vasanas will go away. So this is better to have only the ears. So ears is there. So this is Daivittam, all about Upasana, about Satsang, about God. You hear from the ears only. Okay, this is Upasana. See the word here. So evam atma. Here atma means Yajman. Evam asya atma. Here atma means mind. Vagjaya, prana praja, chakshu manusham vittam, chakshusha hi tad bindate, shrotram daivam, shrotren hi tad shrunoti, atma evasya karmatmana hi karm karoti. Here asya means of that Yajman, atma here body. By this body he does the action. This is upasana. Internally he is doing upasana as if, or with this five. And sa esh pangto yajna, and this is called pankt yajna. Inside he has done the yajna. So all the time they all five are doing their yajna. Acha, what was outside five is inside five. This is called adhyatmik pankt. This is adhyatmik pankt. Inside that is pankt is there. Acha, ha. So what upasana you do now? I am telling you. From that everything is pankt, 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 pankt. Pashu pankt, Purush pankt, idam sarvam idam, kincha yadidam, sab, everything is pankt. Whole world is pankt only. All are 5-5 only. Acha, all are 5-5. Yes, all are 5-5. Acha, all are only 5-5. How come? Here teacher is teaching, this is one pankt. Student is there, second. 2 is there. So, this is there and 2 is there. Then the creation of knowledge is the praja is there. Third is there. Then the satsang hall and the ashram is the manush vittam. Okay. And then the faith and the knowledge ultimately which you gain at the end, you become jnani. That is the daivittam. So here also pankt is there. Oh, I did not think like that. Yes. Everything is pankt. So Pashu pankt, so whole world is pankt. So what you are seeing, what is in me is whole. You are uniting Pind and Brahmand. Identifying, not making oneness. Oneness and identification both are two different things. If I put drop of water in the ocean, it is not identified with the ocean. It has become one with the ocean. But I identify with my father. I am not one, I identify with his views. I identified with my teacher. I am not one, but I am identifying. Separate maintenance is there, we are separate, but I have tadatmya bhava. His sorrow and my sorrow are one. So this is called tadatmya. Ek hona alag hai. So Virat, you have tadatmya. So by this pankt upasana, he attains biggest. Biggest. Who? That grahast. Okay. I think this is clear now. Each month to clarify, it takes time. It takes effort. Okay, we can't rush, otherwise you will see, I didn't teach well. I did not know this. So this way, this is the ashram superimposition. Oh. Earlier was Varna superimposition. And what for all these things are there? These things are there to fulfill your desires. To fulfill your desires. So what is for Grahastha Ashram? Grahastha Ashram, ordinary person, is for fulfilling his legitimate desires in a dharmic manner. And why he fulfills the desire? He fulfills the desire because of calm in him. Because he is incomplete. He is feeling, I cannot live without it. It's so urgent for me to have that. It's so urgent, I already defined desire. And therefore he keeps on fulfilling his desire. And ultimately, desires are not fulfilled. And when desires are not fulfilled, and he feels that many of my desires are not fulfilled, slowly, then his mind is ready for Vanaprasthashram. Ashram is not outside, that is later on. Vanaprastha ashram is a state of mind where he feels, I went to many places, I ate many things, I went to many parties, I went to so many places, but none had that joy which I was thinking. Then what is your conclusion now? Conclusion is, I think I have more joy in my meditation and satsang now. Then what you want? I want to get detached. From what? From all the attachments. I want to be little withdrawn. I want to have tapa and upasana pradhan jivan now. Too much of action I did. I want to sit quietly now. That system which gives this thought and infrastructure is called ashram, vanaprasthashram. Vanaprasthashram. Well, then ashram I don't have to cook. No, ashram you don't have to cook. Guest? No, guests are not allowed too much. Little guest. Marriage? Marriage, my child will go now. I won't go to any marriages. Mundan and Barahi, Tirahi, all these, others will go. I will not go. I am trying to become little less involved. It takes lot of time, energy. This exercise you did for 25, 30 years to realize this is state of mind. Sense of joy is lesser. Sense of joy is lesser now. Kamna is lesser. Kamna is lesser now. So who are now you? I want to be moksha kamaha. Moksha kamaha. I want to come to that station now. This was a course. Which one? Grahastha Ashram is an institution. It's a course. Like 2 years course is there, 4 years. All institutions are to increase your in qualification. So this has increased my qualification to know the truth now. I was not like that, but I have become like that. So I am now being elevated to Vanaprasthashram. And every course when you enter, you ask, is it 2 year, 5 year, 3 year? Only 5 year. Okay, I am ready now. So Grahastha Ashram is a time-bound course. 25, 30 years. So after doing this course, by 60 or so, you should be slowly adapting to this lifestyle now. Then what shall I do? Now you should do more Atma Vari Shrotavya. You hear now. Okay. So that now you are preparing for your final journey. Twilight years have come. Twilight years? Yes. Next 20 years is the last. 75, 80. That's it. So you have last 10 years, 15 years. Now you see that you don't get a lower womb at least. If you can get moksha, that is excellent. But you should not slip now. This is the purpose of this exercise. I hope this is clear. So this has been now completed. What completed? Upanishad? No. This Brahman has been completed. Fourth Brahman has been completed. Oh my God, such a long Brahman was there. Yes. Huh? Avidya. हाँ, वो हो गया सारा. If you remember, this was Sadhya Prapanch Adhyarop. The Virat came, Brahmaji. He had two problems. He felt fearful and he said, I am alone. Then knowledge was given. Then his fear went away. But for removing loneliness, he created the world. Then Manu Shatrupa came. Then from that, cow came, bull came, goat came, all these things till the ants, etc. And after making that, if you remember, it was said, there is no joy in other anatma. Joy is in the nature of the self. Priyam tvam rotsati. One whom you very dear will make you cry. Then seventh mantra was the key mantra. Before that, all Brahmins got together and he said that Manushya knows that through which becomes everything. Brahman knows what? That it becomes everything. Then the topic of Aham Brahmasmi had come in seventh mantra, and that was the Vidya Sutra was there. Vidya Sutra Atma eva upasita Then that was mentioned. The expansion of that was done. Vidya Sutra. Then the lower part of the same mantra was tell Avidya Sutra. Later on it started. Then to tell about Avidya Sutra, Virat again came, Agni came, first Dev Varna came, then Manush Varna came, then Dharma came, then Ashram was superimposed. And in the Varna, Ashram, lot of duties was told. He became Devanam Pashuhu. And then this ultimately Grihastha Ashram was superimposed on that. Why? To get lot of things. Why lot of things? I'm repeating it. Fulfillment of desire is not for fulfillment, but it is to realize that that was not worth it. That is the purpose, that you have gone through it, so that you, first is, you expanded your mind. Grihastha Ashram is Seva Pradhan, Yajna Pradhan, not Kam Pradhan. ये गड़बड़ मत कर देना. काम प्रधान is not that yajna. It is seva pradhan. It is yajna pradhan. Because pati patni are there, yajna they are doing. Then kamna is fulfillment of desire is also one important portion, but not first. I was telling that day also, that is the only ashram through which whatever you want you can go out and have it in your zone of dharma. You want to eat, you go out. चलो भाई होटल में चलते हैं आज खाने के लिए. I want to dance, you can go out. I want to go out to see some kind of museum, you go out. Brahmachari doesn't have this freedom. Brahmachari can't say, I want to eat something today. Guruji, can I go out in the hotel? वो मार पड़ेगी. खाना खाने जाएंगे. हो गया. कुछ नहीं. So no movie, no movie. No good clothes. Good clothes, same clothes you put on. No good clothes. No bangle, nothing, perfume, nothing. Have the fragrance of divinity only. Nothing is there. सब खत्म कर दिया. हाँ, only ashram, grihastha ashram is there. After that, you promote and you go to sannyas ashram. This was the superimposition of the varna. See how beautifully the topic has been built up by the Shruti. I am repeating every time. This is the fourth Brahman. Sadhya Prapanch Vistar was there. And this Sadhan Prapanch, Sadhya Prapanch, and Avyakta Prapanch Vistar was there. And this is Adhyarop going on. Now I will come to the fifth Brahman. Fifth Brahman is also very interesting and popular Brahman. Fourth Brahman is called Purushvidha Brahman. Because that Virat was mentioned as a Purush. It's called Purushvidha Brahman. Purush Akar, that Prajapati was Purush Akar, shape of a human being. Fifth Brahman is called Saptan Brahman. Saptan, Sapt-Anna. Sapt-Anna Brahman. Sapt-Anna Brahman. And this topic continues. Which topic? Avidya Sutra topic. अरे यार, अभी चलेगा. हाँ, क्यों? Because it will tell you how big is the Vidya, how much expansion of Avidya is there. So this we will see. I am a little slow, but I want to clarify everything. It will become, you will never forget these things. And this Upanishad will become very close to your heart. You will become very friendly, it will enter your heart rather. This Upanishad. One will complete it, you will feel, yes, I am very clear. This is how study should be done. Okay, so this Saptan Brahman, popular portion, very interesting. We will see it.